Mga higala, kumusta? Napunta ni ato ang panglantaw sa kagabhion. Sa dili pa nato sugdan mga igsoon ato sang shout out kini ato ang mga likers tong niagi natong episode. Si Mr. Johnny Di Samonte, Marilo P. Faustino, Pastora Sheila Maris Haranilla Makigangay, Jilry Labajo, and Ma'am Rowena Sumandag. Daghang salamat sa iyong pagtanaw, pagpaminaw sa ato ang panglantaw sa kagabhion. Tonight, mga igsoon, we reflect on a truth that is slowly unfolding in our nation. A truth that brings hope to those who once doubted and clarity to those who once questioned. For many years, the Filipino people have grown tired of secrecy, manipulation, and selective justice. We have seen administration come and go. It's promising accountability, but few truly delivering it. Yet today, something different is happening. Something quiet, yet powerful. This is not a slogan. This is not propaganda. This is a new rhyme of governance that beats to the tune of truth and accountability. Legal transparency means that the law is no longer hidden behind curtains of influence. It means that decisions are made in the open, and that actions are guided not by secret deals, but by legal principles. Dili na tago, dili na palusot, dili na binuang ang proseso. Transparency in governance is not about perfection. It's about honesty, and the beauty of current legal system under this administration is that it dares to be transparent even in its imperfections. Take a closer look at the public hearings, the investigations, the judicial processes we see today. They are open for all to witness. The people can see the evidence, the testimonies, the arguments, and through this, every open-minded citizen can judge for themselves. The government no longer hides behind silence. Instead, it explains, it discloses, it clarifies. That is the essence of transparency. Ug kung atong tan-awon sa biblical lens, John chapter 3 verse 21 says, "But whoever lives by the truth comes into the light, so that it may be seen plainly that what they have done has been done in the sight of God." This verse beautifully captures what the present government is doing. Bringing governance into the light, making every action visible before the people and before God. For too long, the nation suffered from a culture of concealment, files hidden, truths edited, laws bent, but now under this renewed governance, the law is no longer used as a weapon. It has become a mirror. a mirror that reflects both justice and accountability. Legal transparency is not just about publishing reports or showing documents. It is about culture of openness, a willingness to be examined, to be questioned, to be corrected, and that is what strengthens democracy. Mga igsoon, when the government opens its doors to public scrutiny, it tells us one thing: wala siya'y ikahadlo. It means that the leadership has nothing to hide, that it is confident in its righteousness, and that it stands on the solid ground of due process. This transparency builds trust, trust that the legal system will act without favor, that public officials will be held accountable, and that truth will always surface no matter who is involved. The Constitution itself in Article 3, the Bill of Rights, affirms that no person shall be denied the equal protection of the laws. And transparency is the key that ensures that equality before the law is not just written, but practiced. Ug kung tan-aw nato sa kasamtangang administrasyon, dili na ordinaryo ang transparency ang atong makita. It is an international kind of openness, one that invites questions, one that respects criticism, and that refuses to use power to hide the truth. In other words, we are now seeing the law being humanized. The process is no longer for the few. It is for everyone to see, to learn, and to understand. Yes, there are critics. There will always be those who twist truth for politics, but let the actions speak. The hearings, the reports, the public disclosures, all this tell us that the system is functioning, that the process is alive, and that justice is not being done in secret corners, but under the light of public witness. For open-minded viewers and listeners, the message is clear. The law now walks in daylight. Order of justice, or transparency builds discipline. Discipline builds trust, and trust builds peace. That is the natural order of justice. Ug sa katapusan, mga igsoon, let us remember this. Transparency is not weakness. It is strength. Because only those who walk in truth can afford to be transparent. As long as the government keeps its heart open to accountability, as long as our leaders allow their decisions to be tested by law and truth, then the Philippines will continue to move toward genuine justice. Let us therefore support every effort that promotes openness, fairness, and honesty. Let us reject the voices that thrive in lies and manipulation. Because when the law is transparent, the people are empowered. The present administration demonstrates legal transparency, not to boast, but to rebuild what was broken, the people's trust. And when trust returns, unity follows. And that, mga igsoon, is the greatest victory of all. When justice no longer hides in the dark, but walks confidently in the light of truth. Kini ang panglantaw sa kagabhion diin ang kahayag nagadanag bisan pa sa kangitngit. Kini inyong igsuon, higala ug alagad Jeremias Nabaho Tubigon, sa makausapan mo inon nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong nga katilingban ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong suga. Ug sa kangitngit sa kasaysayan ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan ang labing hayag na paglaom. Daghang salamat sa iyong pagtanaw ug pagpaminaw. Ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Mayong gabi.